Science is intricately woven into our daily lives, providing explanations and improving our interactions with the world. Here's a detailed look at how fundamental scientific principles affect us every day. Water boiling point. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit, at sea level due to atmospheric pressure. Cooking. Understanding the boiling point is essential for cooking techniques like boiling eggs or making pasta. Boiling water ensures food is cooked evenly and pathogens are killed. Altitude. At higher altitudes, water boils at lower temperatures due to decreased atmospheric pressure. This knowledge is crucial for adjusting cooking times and methods in mountainous regions. Electricity and conductors. Metals are good conductors of electricity because they have free electrons that allow current to flow easily. Foam wiring. Copper is commonly used in electrical wiring because it is an excellent conductor and relatively inexpensive. Ensuring proper insulation and grounding prevents electrical hazards. Electronic devices. Conductors are used in circuit boards and connectors and gadgets like smartphones and laptops, ensuring efficient power transfer and functionality. Gravity. Gravity is the force that attracts objects toward the center of the Earth at 9.8 ms2. Everyday life. Gravity keeps us grounded literally. It's why we stay on the ground and why objects fall when dropped. Engineering. Understanding gravity is vital in construction, ensuring buildings and bridges can withstand their own weight and the forces acting on them. Engineers design structures to distribute weight evenly to prevent collapse. pH levels. pH measures the acidity or alkalinity of a solution on a scale from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral. Cooking. Acidic ingredients like lemon juice can denature proteins, which is why they are used in marinades. Baking soda, a base, is used in baking to react with acidic ingredients and release CO2, causing dough to rise. Gardening. Soil pH affects nutrient availability for plants. Gardeners test soil pH to optimize plant health, using lime to raise pH or sulfur to lower it. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants use sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to produce glucose and oxygen. Agriculture. Farmers rely on understanding photosynthesis to maximize crop yields. Techniques like crop rotation and planting cover crops help maintain soil health and improve photosynthesis efficiency. Ecosystem. Photosynthesis produces oxygen, essential for life on Earth. Forests, often referred to as the planet's lungs, play a critical role in this process. Newton's third law. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Walking. When you walk, your feet push against the ground, and the ground pushes back with an equal force, propelling you forward. Sports. In basketball, when a player jumps, they push down on the floor, and the floor pushes them up. This principle is also seen in swimming, where the swimmer pushes water backwards to move forward. Thermodynamics. Heat naturally flows from a warmer object to a cooler one. Cooking. When you put a pan on a stove, heat transfers from the burner to the pan and then to the food, cooking it. Insulated cookware can reduce heat loss and improve cooking efficiency. Heating and cooling. Understanding heat transfer is essential for designing efficient HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems, which maintain comfortable indoor temperatures. Sound waves. Sound travels in waves and needs a medium, air, water, or solids, for propagating. Communication. Phones convert sound waves into electrical signals and back, enabling long-distance communication. Understanding sound helps improve microphone and speaker design for clearer audio. Medical use. Ultrasound technology uses sound waves to create images of the inside of the body, aiding in medical diagnoses and monitoring pregnancies. Air pressure. Air pressure is the force exerted by the weight of air in the atmosphere. Weather forecasting. Barometers measure air pressure to predict weather changes. Low pressure often indicates stormy weather, while high pressure suggests fair conditions. Flight. Aircraft design accounts for changes in air pressure at different altitudes to ensure structural integrity and passenger comfort. Cabin pressure is regulated to simulate lower altitudes for safety. Basic genetics. Concept. DNA carries genetic information that determines inherited traits. Medicine. Genetic testing helps identify predispositions to certain diseases, allowing for early intervention and personalized treatment plans. Thanks for watching.